Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to create stunning, transparent text effects on CapCut. And I'm going to take it one step further and show you how to animate them. Now, before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now, where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first things first, let's add this little simple rose here as an example. Then come up to text and add any text to the timeline. Type what you want to appear, change the font, the size, get it how you wish. Then we want to come down, select stroke, change the thickness to around 7%. Now let's drag the same selected media onto the timeline. Copy the text that we've just created, then paste it. Now we want to change the colour. Then we want to change the thickness slightly so it's a little bit bigger. Now right click, create compound clip, drag the compound clip onto the very top, make it the same length of your media. Then with that compound clip highlighted, come to the right hand side, video basic, then come down to blend and select brighten. And as you can see, perfect. Just the effect we was looking for. However, we can take this one step further. Let's make this effect animated. So with the compound clip highlighted, come to the video basic, position and size, and let's add a keyframe. Then let's move this all the way to the left here. Keep a note of the position X here. Then let's move the playhead to the very end, drag it all the way to the right, off screen. Then let's do the same to the main white text here. Let's do exactly the same what we did before. Moving it to the left, adding a keyframe. Remember that X position here. We need to do the same X position. Then let's move the playhead to the end of our clip. Then drag it all the way to the right. Then when we press play, perfect. That text effect is being animated. So that's how to create stunning, transparent text effects on CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.